So here is how to get free gifts on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So here on the Temu app, tap on You on the bottom panel, then tap on Play and Earn. Over here, you'll be able to view multiple free offers. Let's tap on Claim Free Items on this one. You will then be taken to this page right over here. Tap on Spin in order to spin the wheel. It will then land on one of these prizes. And as you can see, we've got the grand reward of 2 free items. You will then be prompted to pick your first free items. On this page, you can scroll through and choose whichever item that you want. So let's go through them and pick one. I will go with this one for instance. So I'll tap on Pick Now. So once it's selected, we will be prompted to pick one more item. So let's go through the options again and pick another option. If the item has different variations, choose the one that you want and tap on Continue. It will then start showcasing some visuals demonstrating the amount you've saved by claiming the free gifts. They also provide free shipping for your free gifts, which is displayed here in the visuals as well. And this is a really good deal. On this page, make sure that your address is correct. And once done, just tap on Next Step. Then, just go through the steps and you're good to go. That's it. That is exactly how to get free gifts on Temu.